Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create an Ombre French Tip duo that is the perfect match for Christmas. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Milky pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You don't want to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards the cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail, then cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply a nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply a thin coat of Spilt Milk and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using Out Late and your multi-purpose brush, pat and drag the gel polish down the nail to create an ombre effect. Using your multi-purpose brush, pat Spilt Milk into Out Late to soften the blend. Cure for 30 seconds. Using Ivy, apply a thin coat to the top of your silicone nail stamper. Gently press it into the tip of your nail and move it side to side to create a French tip. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy any areas needed before curing. Cure for 30 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.